In this question, you have the salaries of 15 players on the Portland Trail Blazers basketball team for 2022-2023. You have the dot plot representing the distribution. So take a look, the majority of the data are located here. You have an outlier here. What is the best representative for the data? Is it mean? Is it median? Let us figure it out. We're going to use our calculator, enter these data into our calculator, and check the mean and the median. So first go to Stat, Edit, and then use next column, which is L6. So we're going to enter everything in L6, starting from the very first one, 1017781. Next number, 1017781. Next salary, 1,563,518. Next salary, 1,563,518. Nice salaries, 1,836,090. Next one is 2,681,040. Next salary, 4,097,561. Next salary, 4,171,548. Next salary is 6,012,960. Next salary, 8,303,000. Next salary is 12,960,123. Next salary is 15,625 and 000. Here we go. And 20,955,000. And then 22,321,429. Here we go. And then 42 million. Ooh. 492. 492. Okay. Here we go. We entered everything in L6, everyone. Now we're going to go to Stat and make sure you are on Calc using the arrow key. It must be located on one variable, statistics, and it must be L6. So click on second, 6. Frequency list must stay empty, and calculate. Here we go. Guys, take a look at calculation. X bar, or the average, is 9,774,381 million. What is the median? If I ask you find the median, you're going to go down the page and find the median, which is 4,171,548. So take a look at the answer. So this is the mean of the data. This is the median of the data. Guys, since the data has an outlier here, this point, which is far away from the rest of the data, outlier. We are not relying on the mean. Outlier. Mean is not a good balancing point. Mean is not a good representative. Median is a good representative of the salary. So when you have skewed data set, you always rely on the median. If we change one of these salaries, both of these are affected, but mean is highly affected. So again, whenever you have skewed data set, you always use the median as the representative of your data. Whenever we have a skewed data set, this is the data set that's representing the tail on the right-hand side, because you have the outlier located on the right-hand side. So whenever you have a data that is skewed to the left or to the right, we always use the median representing the center or typical or a balancing point for the data collection.